Welcome back. I'm Jackie from BN Multi. You've made it to the solid food stages and beyond. At this stage, you may continue with your chewable multivitamin for life, or you might opt for a capsule solution. This one has everything you need, although you will need this partner product, our BN Cal. The capsule multivitamin is a calcium-free solution, and your calcium dose should be recommended by your dietitian. At this stage, and for the first year, portion management establishment is absolutely crucial to your long-term success. We have a range of portion management solutions on the Weight Loss Surgery Accessories tab on our website. For portion management on the go, our portion control lunch boxes are an excellent solution. And while you're at home, try out the BN portion control plate. It's designed for bariatric patients. So you're guaranteed that each of your meals is structured in a way that will definitely suit your nutritional needs. The portion rings are a flexible home solution for portion management and come with a handy nutritional guide, 61 pages of information on serving sizes and macronutrients and their values.